yoga we did at the house, which I'm grateful because I don't think any of the kids would have lasted had we gone to a studio, and it wouldn't have been fair to the other participants if we were in the studio because our attention span wasn't quite where we needed it to be.
Closing your eyes, just take a moment to arrive here. See you moving now, the moment's let you here.
I love having yoga. I thought the kids would enjoy it a little bit more. I should have just said, no kids, let me recharge, do my thing, and connect with everybody later. However, I thought this would be a great family experience, and I learned my lesson. So it was one of the things where if I want to do it, I'm going to do it whether anybody wants to enjoy it with me or not. So staying healthy and fit is a hard challenge on vacation, right? You're in a new location, you're eating new food, timing's different, all the things. So give yourself a little bit of grace, but also maybe have like a couple hard stops, okay? If I'm gonna only eat one dessert a day on vacation, not one after every single meal. I really try to eat a healthy breakfast because that's an easy spot for me to eat healthy. And then later in the day, I might eat a little more unhealthy. If there's places that I can walk to, like dinner, I'll walk to dinner instead of taking the car, just so that I'm walking home from dinner as well. So I'm always thinking, like, where can I get a couple little steps in? Where can I make this thing healthy? And how can I still have fun doing my vacation? So it's the Mexican culture to negotiate prices. So if you're gonna buy something, you're in the markets, you wanna get your hairs braided like my daughters did, you wanna negotiate that price up front. Don't take the service, don't take the thing unless you know what the price is first, okay? Simple negotiating, super fun for the kids to do, and it's part of their culture. So remember that. We got braids, we paid for them afterwards, should have paid for them ahead of time. Our mistake, don't let it be yours.
It's gonna be so fun. I never braided my hair like this before.
Yeah, we had to put sunscreen for sure on those lines.
Yeah. Josh, you're gonna be looking fly. I need to tan up so I can get rid of my forehead tan. Yeah. Probably the only reason why I will keep these things in. So then when I get back to my normal hair, I will have curly hair. And I won't have a maximum forehead tan. Gosh, we could be whoever we want because nobody knows us here.
Have fun while you're here.
I can already feel my hair changing destinations. Like, just like, you know what I mean? Oh, I learned how to bargain people, so then I could get things for cheaper. That's a life skill right there. Life skill.
Josh kept calling him over. Josh like, still need help. Josh just like, see, Janet just stares at him like gives some weird face. And John wants rings. John wants like rings. John wants like kites. Chains and bracelets.
He wants everything. He really wants
everything. Well, he can't have everything.
So traveling to Mexico, super safe. Obviously, you have to exercise caution in the areas that you're going, but where we are, there has been zero threat. So we're in Sayulita. We flew into Puerto Vallarta and drove up here with a taxi. Have been super happy driving around town in golf carts. Yes, we lock the golf carts when we're in town, but that just makes sense because the keys work interchangeably for all the golf carts. Somebody might accidentally take yours, not on purpose, but on accident.
You know, you feel safe. I mean, downtown, you hear the stories about Mexico and, it could be, cartels, but here, I mean, it's been, everybody's nice, friendly, it's you feel safe, it's fun.
The nice thing about being in Mexico is that if you have AT&T, your cell phone works. So my kids can buddy up together. We always make them go 2 at a time anywhere they go. And if they run into problems, they can call us on their cell phone without the extra international charge going on.
Oh, going to Cal's was exciting. That was fun. I had a crazy experience at Cal's. I had to make my way back to his house at like 11 p.m. in the dark.
Was he not with you?
No.
Why not?
He got in trouble. It's a long story. I don't know if I can be talking about on this interview right now.
It's too long.
It's way too long.
Wish I knew one. I forgot to get a souvenir. I mean, I had pretty cool shades, and then I left them in the car when we went surfing. That was $18 for those shades. I spent $18 on those shades. Bro, I literally just did this, and they were so cool.
I think I set up at the wrong place because now they're downtown.
So it's been so fun having my dad here and just getting to experience this trip with him. Some of the lessons of learning, of hanging out with him is being adaptable, right? Like we're shifting all the time and he's kind of old and he's rolling with it. And it just reminds me the gift of being adaptable to all the things that are going on. Also, just being grateful. I'm grateful that he has his health. I'm grateful that we get to spend this time together, just sitting in these moments and finding myself grateful for these memories that we're creating, because we're gonna have these forever and he's not gonna be here forever. So reminding myself that each of these moments is special and I'm so grateful for them. Also, living within your means. Like just remembering that you can't do everything. You only can do things that really line up with who you are, and that's okay to say no to things and activities and knowing you're not coming back. That's using discernment and judgment and making sure this trip is authentic to you, not just all things Mexico.
When Jenny was younger, Forrest Gump just came out and she had her whole soccer team and they all got in the car and they'd given up. I don't know if you know that, but that's my Jenny. I really love my Jenny. She's my best little girl, and she's gonna go play soccer with you girls. And she would get so mad.
We did everything, man. We did everything. Golfing. Well, yeah, I kind of wanted to go golfing too, but it was really expensive, and I'm not good at golf. So. Sleep. I wish I slept more.
Catch fish.
Yeah. Me and Joe got quite.
I was on that thing too.
Oh yeah, Jack was there too. All three of them.
We're super happy with vacation, feel really safe. We use the buddy system, the phones work here, and I think you should come.